In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable notification in CoinGecko app. First of all, launch open CoinGecko application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the market interface. So if you want to enable the notification, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, right next to the search icon, you'll be able to find the notification icon. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the notifications interface. You'll be able to find various options related to notifications over here. Right now my notifications are off. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for open device settings. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enable the notification. You'll be led to the device settings. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for CoinGecko notifications. Make sure to toggle on this button. Now after you toggle on this button, you can see over here the notifications will be enabled. Now you'll be able to receive the notifications from CoinGecko. So that is how you enable notification in CoinGecko app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.